Still waiting for and ready to race. This is race number 1. The start of the winner take all. The favorite Floris, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Floris by the rail. On the outside, moving up is Pure Diva. Pure Diva followed by Floris in second. Hoy Makati. Quattro Supra moving up on the outside. And entry number 2, and that is Baby Jade. Entering the pattern, it is still Pure Diva in the lead, followed by Floris by the rail. Hoy Makati on the outside by half a length, and running in fourth by 3.5 lengths. Quattro Supra moving up by the rail is Baby Jade. And at the pattern, it's still Pure Diva by a length and a half, followed by Floris in second, and Hoy Makati remains in third. Quattro Supra running in fourth by 3.5 lengths, and Baby Jade. At the last bend for home, it is still Pure Diva. It's Pure Diva by 3.5 lengths, followed by Floris in second, and Hoy Makati on the outside. Moving up on the inside is Quattro Supra. At the top of the stretch, it is still Pure Diva in the lead, and moving up by the rail is Quattro Supra. Floris on the outside, it's still Pure Diva, and by the rail Quattro Supra. On the further outside is Floris, and nearing the payoff line, it is still Pure Diva. And moving up on the outside is Floris, Quattro Supra, and at the payoff line, it's a close finish between entries number 1, Floris, Pure Diva, Quattro Supra.
Okay, racing fans, unang karera pa lang, exciting na kaagad. Close finish between entries number 1, Floris, and entry number 4, Pure Diva. At nagpaparimate po sa labas yung numero 1, Floris. Huwag po kayong kukurap, malapit na po ang meta. Ito na po. Ayan na. A few meters from the finish line. Uy, medyo too close to call. Medyo... Anyway, mamaya siguro pagkatapos ng ating instant replay, medyo mag-slow mo ulit tayo. First page ng ating